stuff I got in the mail today. I already unpackaged them. I got Pluto.
When you try to crack it open, so you might
and this pink bike lock.
And buy a more
And I also got a blue one.
That's all. Thanks so much, G. Happy thinking. Bye bye.
I thought these were really cool. I saw them on Amazon.
This is my favorite everyday look. Long, fun, plush. So fun. Telescopic by L'Oreal Paris.
Alrighty.
Alright, so I got an email from a viewer, and he told me that his bicycle got stolen. And he asked me if I would test different bike locks to see which one is worth it, which one's the best. So I went to Amazon.
Okay, let's think of a number.
So I went to Amazon, I bought a whole assortment of
Because I
different
had
bike
this
locks.
one, I got this one on lock to do a combo for it, but now I can't, so I'm doing this one. Let's see, I need a good one, and not too easy and not too hard.
Heavy duty ones that are supposed to be extremely good. We're going to test them out, and I'm going to see how long it would take me to, or a thief, to break these locks and steal a bicycle. I did a poll on YouTube, and you guys said that about 3 minutes is a good time frame, like a good time limit to steal the bike. Any of these locks that I can bypass in under 3 minutes, we are going to consider them not that good. We're going to consider the bike to be stolen. Let's go along to the bike, see how they do. Alright, now my first lock, so no one steals my bike, is this. You kind of just pull out the cable, and then you walk it around your bike. Nobody can steal it. So, since I don't want this to get stolen,
Okay.
just put this right here.
There, it's locked. Okay, let's try it out.
Nice and secure. Alright, so the 3 minute timer starts now. Ooh, what do we have here? A little bike. I think I could probably... Oh, no way. Oh, I gotta fix up the code. I think I could probably break this with my hands.
Yeah, I think I got it.
What if I just... Oh, I got me a free bike. That was... wow. Look at that.
Now, I got two because
I literally...
I thought they were cool and I wanted...
I brought a pair of side cutters, so I thought I would just like
this is
snip
my
the
first
wire,
time.
which I'll go
I mean,
ahead
this
and
is
test
still
out.
like a key. It's like a key and a combination in one.
With this, you don't
Because
even
you have to do a combination to
Alright, so
unlock
our
the
second
key.
bike lock is the
Let's
metal-
do it again. And then we're going to do it on my bike.
It's basically like some type of metal zip tie type deal. So that has a steel cord. I imagine that I'm going to be able to cut right through it.
Oh,
with very high
oh,
cutters.
I have... No,
So I don't want someone to steal a bike.
aha.
Let's mix up the code. Timer starts now. I'll try what I did last time. Try to just try to just break.
I need to write down it so I can... 1 second. Hello.
Okay. I think that's a little
Let's
sturdier.
see here. I need to write it
So we have
down.
just something as simple as side
I'm
cutters.
not going to show you, but I don't think you guys are going to... Maybe you will. I'm not going to show it, sorry. But I kind of said it, so... But I don't know if you memorize it. I hope it's okay. Okay,
places like Athens, Georgia. We've got some pretty big fish here.
well,
And I'm not
yeah.
talking about that.
Okay.
I'm talking about Kathy. She hooked a career in robotics after completing one of Amazon's free skills training programs.
True story. Got a nice pay bump, too.
Somebody's getting me. coming, doggies? Come on, I'm going outside. Who's coming? I will show you Benny there. Can you see Benny? Can you see her? Oh, there's Benny. Yeah, hi Benny. Oh, hi Cuppy and Guppy there. Where is she? There's Guppy. There's Guppy. Shouted Bay didn't want to come in. Come out. Alrighty. Let's just... Oh, he's over there. I don't think it goes here though. I think it goes here and then did you guys see that? Okay. I think I got it. Goodbye.